Hey Rosebuds, so yeah, sorry I haven't actually been uploading. I know you probably thought, yay, he's quit. No, I've just been very fucking ill. I want to curse the person who is making it. Now, for the first week, I was just like, okay, fine, I'm still good. Let's do it. That's just because I had a normal cold. Now, however, and since last week, I have had a chronic fucking cough. Chronic fucking cough, which has not allowed me to come into college this week so far. And I had to leave college last Thursday because it made my head ache so bad because of my fucked up sensory issues that I had to leave, even though paracetamol had been had. But I'm getting better, so I'm going into college tomorrow. Now, something that happened to me on Wednesday, I kind of was allowed to spend some money that I've been saving. So I had, I'd been planning to get something. You probably won't really know what it is because I never really said I was going to get something. So yeah, here it is. So happy. This is the blue 3DS XL. Big, nice. Screen locks in 2 positions. Buttons, nicer. And screen, oh my god, so much bigger. And yeah, I kind of got some games for it as well. Pokemon X. Don't worry, the game's not in it. Pokemon Y. Again, game's not in it. Animal Crossing. New Leaf. Game is in. Here. Proof. I'm so happy because I've wanted Animal Crossing for a while, but ever since Pokemon came out, I was thinking, should I get it? Should I get it? I've played some recent Pokemon games. I say recent, I've played Diamond and Pearl, and I thought, okay, do I really need to get the brand new one? The new ones haven't been that good. X and Y, get them! Oh my god, they're so good. I got both because obviously the Mega Charizard X is cool, and it's cooler than the Y, but Mega Mewtwo Y is cooler than the X, and also on the trade over. So I got them both, and this is making me so happy. Also, I can kind of street pass myself every day, so bonus. I'm so happy. This is just so cool though. And also, big. And I use my own money to buy it, and now I don't need Christmas presents. I say I don't need Christmas presents, I'm just gonna ask for chocolate, probably. Why? I shouldn't really say that I'm on a diet. A diet which has been helped a lot by my fucking cold. Because last week, I could not eat anything. Well, I could eat something. I just couldn't finish the fucker. Yes, I'm going to swear. But fuck me, I was hungry for 5 minutes. Then I started eating my food, and I thought, no, I'm full. My dad made me, because I hadn't been eating, he made me have 4 slices of toast. Or it was that, or 2 slices of toast and some cereal, which I didn't really want. But, because I knew I wouldn't eat it. But he made me have 4 slices of toast. I could only eat 1.5, and I had to throw the rest away. I was not hungry at all. Even on my bad day, I just couldn't finish my food. So, what I ended up doing was I went down a size. Again. Now I'm a fucking loose large. Now, well, this is actually helping my diet. It's not me in control of it. Fortunately, I have now been able to, recently, eat normally. So, my overall health is improving. But these jeans, not been able to wear for over a year. So that's one cool thing that's happened. Another is I've had to taste yummy cough mixture. Fuck Cavonia right in its arse. I hate it. Take it away. Now, what doesn't help is the fact that I've been just gulping spoonfuls of fucking spoonfuls of Cavonia, and I think it is dead. So we have Benylin. Now, Cavonia, it says it expires at the end of this month. I think it's already expired, so it's not working. It was the only one we had until I found some Benylin. Now, at first the smell put me off it, so I went to the Cavonia. However, when I saw the date on the Benylin, which said 2015, I tried it, and it has got a nicer flavour. So now I have Benylin, and it's working. So, yay. But, now I'm getting better. I'm slightly happier. I've been to work at the pub. By the way, I'm a landlord now. Yeah, pretty fun. And I have hardly been in the pub. I say hardly. The day we kind of all sorted out the whole ownership of it, or tendency of it, was Monday. Last Monday. I went in then. Didn't go back in till Saturday when we had the party. So I'm moving in and taking over the party. Did some stuff there on Sunday. Stayed home on Monday. Didn't go to college because I was too ill. And Tuesday, well, we were supposed to change the cooker over for a new one. Couldn't do that because people came in. And today we were going to do that again. Couldn't do it because people came over. And yeah, but it's still pretty cool. I have picked my room. It's a nice room. It's a big room. It's fucking bigger than this room. Much fucking bigger than this room, in fact. So I'm putting a bed in there and a little office space. So far I've been using a camp bed. It's like a foldable fucking torture device with legs, and you can't sit on the end. Well, you can't sit at the foot and you can't sit at the head. There is a reason for that. You fall over. No support whatsoever. So you have to sit dead in the middle and lay down. And because people have been sleeping in it so much, it's worn down the whole suspension of it. So it hurts like fuck. So I'm getting a proper bed in there. Hopefully I should be able to get a double bed there. So yay, comfort. Chronic cough. I hate it. Oh, I think I can have some cough medicine. Yay. I say the Benylin's better. It's not the best. Of course, I don't like cough medicine because it's just disgusting tasting normally. And I have a message, sorry. ADHD with Jack. Oh, it's about the LRC tomorrow. Okay. just some information about where we're going tomorrow. We're going to the Hertfordshire University, LRC, to help us with our research task. So, yay. And also, afterwards, Galleria shopping! Yay! Well, I've bored you enough. So, I'm gonna say goodbye. Oh! Galleria. I'm hoping to go to Waterstones because I'm gonna find some more manga. Although, if I can't, I'll just order everything online. Fuck you, you bitch. I'm gonna go now. I've sworn so much. Also, fuck Google Plus. Of course, ever since I started out with a Gmail account, well, a Gmail account that I've used for stuff, I have used a Google Plus account, so my comments will work. So yeah, I'm gonna go. So get you like if you like to subscribe below. My stuff's gonna be down there. Make sure you give us put it on your favourites if it was your favourite. You never know, it could be. And I'll see you in 2 days. And I'll be over your favourite. Goodbye. Ciao ciao.